If you look at every new technology, radio, printing presses were democratizing medium. Anyone could have a radio station. Anyone could have a pamphlet. Someone would read it. The early internet blogs and web pages were democratizing. Anyone could have a web page. Anyone could have a blog. Now it's all medium. It's all Facebook or Twitter. It's top-down control. But it's curious to see if it's going to turn out for them in Bitcoin, in this decentralized tech, the same way that it's turned out in every centralized tech, right? Centralized tech, you move in, you monopolize it, you make it easier to do Facebook than to do your own blog, easier to do Twitter, more benefits and advantages. But with Bitcoin, can they build a coin that has better advantages, that has more control? Or, as I predict, Bitcoin will be more like torrents, a technology that's kind of pushed underground and acknowledged as being a great technology, but not something you'd want to use. You wouldn't want to use those dirty torrents to download your Windows updates or your Linux updates.